Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. Let me start off by giving you a backstory as to why exactly I'm filming and uploading this video. So this morning, I woke up with this heavy feeling of the year ending, and I feel like everyone's been saying this and I totally agree that 2025 literally flew by. I feel like as we're getting older, the years are flying by even faster, if that makes any sense, but I totally can feel it. So I really wanted to kind of just sit down and analyze my year and get my life together before 2026 creeps in, because obviously everyone's super motivated in the month of January. But what I've noticed is something that's more sustainable to do is to start working a few months before, so that when the new year begins, you're all ready, you're equipped to really do your best. Even I don't know what the plan is, but I really want to lock in for 2026 and I want to take you guys with me. I'm ready with my bag and my sipper. We're gonna head out. Also, I know you're thinking कि मुझे blush blindness आज बहुत ही ज़्यादा है, but I'm wearing my glasses today. So जब भी I wear my glasses, I do a little extra blush because it doesn't like show through. So I feel like with the glasses, it looks little balanced, does it not? By the way, this is the fit. Well, half of the fit. I really like it. Okay, so the plan for today is basically just to get out of the house, because yesterday I actually woke up feeling so bad. I think a huge role is the fact that I'm going to start my period. I'm in my luteal phase, so I am essentially questioning every decision of my life right now. So आज मैं जल्दी उठी because I knew that I had to take things into my hands, and I woke up early, got ready. I'm going to get out of the house, and just step one is to go to my favorite cafe, and we'll see what to do after that. Guys, I made it to my favorite cafe. If you're an OG, you know what cafe it is. In case you're new, basically it's called Poetry. And मुझे यहाँ पे आके इतना time हो गया है that it has shifted locations. By the way, I called for something known as skinny eggs. It's essentially 4 egg whites, and that is actually a part of my diet plan, so it just worked out really well. बहुत ही ज़्यादा tasty है, and मैंने साथ में matcha भी मंगाया है, which is very very good. By the way, as you can tell, it's like an outdoor seating, which I love. So I feel like I'm going to be coming here even more. Like I really like the place, I like the food, I like the vibe. But now that it's outdoor, it feels like I'm sitting in like some European cafe. Like I love the vibes. I really need to figure out an in-between, because either I'm cooped up at home because I work from home, or I just go out to travel. There's no like in between like this, and I can already tell that it's making me feel good, because मुझे थोड़ा सा ऐसा creative block आ रहा था. I feel like I've gotten my diary and my pen and everything, so I'm gonna sit down after I'm done eating my meal and like jot down all of my ideas. I feel like if you're someone who goes out to work, maybe staying at home can be very therapeutic. For me, obviously, it's the other way around. I'm back and look what I got. इस बार मैंने थोड़ा एक unconventional choice बनाया, in the sense that I always do sunflowers, or I've been recently really feeling lilies, but I usually do white lilies. But this time I got light pink lilies, and I always make sure to get them with some buds so that throughout the week they keep blooming. And मैं newspaper में wrap कराती हूँ, because anyway I'm going to throw this out. So plastic waste करने से अच्छा newspaper, and then I put it obviously घर जाके in my vase. Why can I not talk today? Of course, on the day that I'm supposed to vlog. So I think I figured it out. I'm gonna do a few different things, hopefully in the next few days, to get my life together, really lock in for 2026. The first thing that I'm gonna do right now is that I am going to complete tasks that are mentioned in my avoiding list. So basically मेरे this is a little crazy but मेरे notes में I have a note folder which is called things that I have been avoiding. So मैं वो करने वाली हूँ आज के दिन में. I don't think मैं सब कुछ कर सकती हूँ. It's not possible to do all of it, but even if I'm able to tick off a few things, I feel like that would be great. I'm just seeing the list and I saw that one of the things जो उसमें लिखा था was me time, which I actually did already. So that's nice. ये मैंने सोच के नहीं किया था, not planned. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some new glasses made. So basically, I have only these glasses left. I do use my glasses very roughly. So I like break them. There are a lot of scratches. Ye wala is doing fine. But as I said that this has a lot of scratches. Like when I'm seeing you guys right now, all I can see is like blur, like blurry spots, which is obviously not good for my eyes. So I'm gonna go get a few glasses made because I do wear contacts most of the time, but I do wear glasses a lot as well. I would say it's like a 60-40, but I do need good glasses. So let's go do that. Guys, I just got home and it's looking so pretty. Since winters are here, the golden hour is even prettier. I'm done with my one task that I have been avoiding. Let's do another one because I know it's going to take me whole evening. Maybe रात भी लग जाएगी मुझे. It is to declutter loosely, but I have been just dumping things left, right and center. सिर्फ जो मुझे दिखता है सामने, जो मैं यूज करती हूँ वो सब मैंने अच्छे से रखा है. बाकी सब there are like these 2-3 drawers which are my dumping drawers. I need to get to those. I really want to go into next year fresh, clean. मेरा ऊपर का भी जो मेरा bedroom है, that is also such a mess. So today I'm just gonna tackle all of that and get it out of the way. It is the next day. It's actually the next to next day because yesterday I just had a lot of work to get done. But today is a Sunday, so I have the whole day to myself. And you guys know I am committed to getting my life together for 2026. So I'm just quickly getting ready, very chill getting ready for this Sunday. And the other day was actually so nice in the sense that I got, I think, 70% or 60% of things done from my list, the things I have been avoiding list. I highly recommend you guys to start making that kind of list. Make it in your phone only so that आपको जब भी याद आए और आपको थोड़ा भी आपको लगे कि you have been avoiding this task, just add it in that list, and then when you feel like the list is long enough, finish it all in one day. Even though I was not able to finish it all in one day, I think it'll take 2 days for me to like finish it all. But I'm very happy with my progress. I think it's a win. So a lot of my tasks were very like decluttering related, and I feel like बहुत ही basic है वो task, no doubt. But the joy and the lightness that you feel after decluttering, it's amazing. And I have been avoiding these decluttering tasks for a while. Like my bedroom had been sitting with those baskets for a few weeks now. And every morning I would wake up and I would see the mess. I would sleep and see that mess. It's just not a great vibe, you know, to sleep to and wake up to. So I'm glad that I got it done. I'm actually feeling really ambitious about today. I have a lot of things that I want to do today, even though I actually started quite late. At Sunday था तो मैं late भी उठी, and then I started watching, not started, I actually finished watching this show which is called Kurukshetra. I'm sure आपने सुना होगा ये show के बारे में. It has 18 episodes and I've been watching it in parts obviously, and today I finally finished it this morning. I think you should definitely watch it. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है ये. It's based on Mahabharat. I feel like a lot of us do know the story of Mahabharat, but the way it has been explained, it's really nice. I feel like you should see it. I feel like I don't want to explain too much of it, but it's gonna really teach you some life lessons also while you watch that show, in the most beautiful way. So yeah, highly recommend watching that show. By the way, I've been doing this thing wherein I'm forcing myself every single day to use a different product for every single step. वरना मेरा ऐसा होता है कि once I start liking a product, those are the only like 10 products that I will use every single day. And I own a lot of makeup, which obviously I'm really grateful for, but I should use it. So I have been doing this since a week wherein मैं रोज एक नया फाउंडेशन निकालती हूँ, रोज एक नया कंसीलर निकालती हूँ, रोज एक नया लिप कॉम्बो होता है. सो इट्स एक्चुअली नाइस. इट्स हेल्पिंग मी लाइक रियली गो थ्रू माई मेकअप, यूज एवरीथिंग and really figure out what I like and what I don't like and kind of get out of that rut. So my face is all ready for the day, but my body is not ready because I still haven't applied my body lotion. I do want to say that I've been so consistent with body lotions. I think ever since October, जब से थोड़ा सा ड्राइनेस मुझे फील होने लग गया है मेरे स्किन में. आई थिंक फ्रॉम द प्लम बॉडी लविंग कलेक्शन, बाय फार माई मोस्ट फेवरेट बॉडी लोशन हैज टू बी दिस वन. इट्स द वनीला कैरामेलो बॉडी लोशन. देयर इज अ रीजन दैट इट्स माई फेवरेट बिकॉज it has vanilla, it has caramel, it has pistachios, and this is also so perfect for the Mumbai weather because it's so lightweight, absorbs into your skin, but it's also hydrating at the same time. But you guys need to check out the new variant that Plum Body Loving has come out with. So this is the Hazelnut Eclair Body Lotion. Guys, this one smells decadent, like toasted hazelnuts. It smells so yummy. This will give you that soft glowing skin because it has cocoa butter and vitamin B5 for that deep hydration. Now if you have dry skin, I have something for you. This right here, I'm going to be attending a winter wedding and I'm going to definitely be taking these with me. So these are the newly launched Plum Body Loving's Delish Body Butters. It's available in my favorite vanilla caramello, hazelnut eclair and marshmallow melt. This one feels like pure luxury on my skin. Oh my god, trust me, this one will make you smell like a rich chocolate ganache. It's so good. You have to smell this one for yourself. And the marshmallow melt is literally like a fluffy cloud of comfort. I think Plum Body Loving really knows how to give us that sensory escape because every time they really step it up and I am obsessed with their products. In case you guys want to check it out for yourself, everything's going to be linked down below. Make sure to go check it out. I genuinely love all of these products. Okay. Now that I'm all ready, what we're going to do is we're going to be reviewing our 2025 / studying our 2025. Now, how are we going to do that? I really hope that you guys have made a vision board. I feel like most of you guys might have. So, step 1 is going to be for us to review our vision board. मैं हर साल मेरा vision board आपके साथ बनाती हूँ and I make it in our Simba Lifestyles planner. This is the 2025 planner. It was very, very well received. I know a lot of you are going to ask me this in the comments. I'm going to answer it. The 2026 planner is coming very, very soon. Like this morning we finalized one of the last things and it's coming very, very soon. The freebies are really cute, I will say that. Okay, we will do a flip through. Aayega wo vlog bhi. You guys know I do that every year. So this is what my vision board looks like. I'm just gonna take a few minutes, observe it, really study what worked for me, what didn't work for me. And that's okay. Like a lot of things obviously don't work out, so you can always just push it to next year. But I do want to say a lot of things did come true. Like the first image that I see right here is like a cozy corner with like lots of books in the background. That's literally me right now. Like I really wanted to create this for Aditya and I. I see a picture of a group of friends. The meaning behind doing that was for us to take like a friends trip and that also happened. मैंने literally एक मनाली का फोटो डाला है कुछ नहीं सोच के and वो भी हुआ. Trust me, जब मैं ये vision board बना रही थी तब मेरा बिल्कुल भी प्लान नहीं था like मनाली जाने का. मैंने एक golden play button डाला है मेरे vision board पे and I am really close to hitting 1 million, guys. Please, 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 please subscribe if you haven't. Please make sure to take your parents' phone, your sister's phone and subscribe to my channel. We're so close. I really want to make it through by the end of this year. I feel like one mistake that a lot of us make is to not see our vision board enough. The whole reason why I feel like you should make it in your planner is because your planner is something that you will use quite often, right? So whenever you're like opening it every single day, it's actually really nice to look at it. I did not look at it for like a few months. So I need to make sure that next year मैं ज़्यादा देख रही हूँ उसको because the things that you put in here, I feel like even if you look look at it every single day, I believe that the universe will make it happen somehow. Subconsciously, by you just thinking about it, it will all align. Cool. So I have studied my vision board. There are still, I believe, like 50 days to go. I feel like a lot of things jo nahi hue hai, I can still make them happen. I believe in it. What I'm going to do is I am going to go towards the end of the planner. मैं हमेशा आपके साथ starting के pages fill करती हूँ, but I never really do like a end of the year closing session. I know बहुत टाइम है ईयर एंड होने के लिए, बट आई हैव स्टिल फिल्ड आउट दिस लिटिल सेक्शन right here. And I want to share it with you guys. I'm not going to answer all the questions because I feel like I still need the year to end to be able to answer them. But I wanted to do this session. Okay, so the first question is, what were your favorite movies and TV shows? I've written Modern Family, obviously. But a new show that I really wanted to watch was SATC. And I feel like I love Gossip Girl, right? So I was really looking for a show that would give me that kind of a vibe. And it was actually really nice. I would recommend watching it if you're someone who's into fashion or you just like a nice chick flick vibe. Okay, favorite books. I haven't read a lot this year, I will be honest, but my two favorite books that I've written, the first one is called Manifest. I really enjoyed reading that one. It really gave me a lot of motivation and a lot of positive vibes. And the second one I've written is The Secret. वो तो मेरा सालों से favorite है, but मैंने फिर से reread किया ये book. Favorite restaurant or dishes? Banana Leaf. I love Banana Leaf. I love their Bene Dosa. It's so good. I also love their Medu Vada with onion, with crispy onion in it. I'm not a big Medu Vada person, but unke Medu Vada are so good. And by the way, you can ask for rasam, like how they give you sambar. You can ask for rasam on the side. Their rasam is so good. और उसके अलावा my favorite restaurant is House of Mandarin. Favorite dish में मैंने लिखा है there's this one flourless cake जो Maze/Mize restaurant देता है. It's so good. It's like healthy dessert. बहुत tasty है. Favorite places that you visited this year? The first place has to be Washington in USA. हम वहाँ पे glamping के लिए गए थे. Camping तो नहीं था बिल्कुल भी, but it was stunning. It was so beautiful. And Japan during the cherry blossom. And Ooty. मुझे ऊटी इतना ज़्यादा पसंद आया था. Favorite day of the year. I think my favorite day will have to be, without a doubt, Mahakumbh, that we went with our family, and even Dadi had come along, so it was just precious. A core memory from 2025 would have to be going to Switzerland. It was my first ever solo trip. It was my first ever international beauty event. And it was just everything that I had wished and prayed for, and more. A word that you want to describe 2025 with? I want to say blessed. I think that would be the year. Rate 2025. I would say 8.5 out of 10. I think that's a pretty good rating. An achievement that you are proud of this year. I think the first one would be that me taking care of my body. I have been really consistent. Obviously, I'm going to say sporadically consistent, but a win is a win, okay? I have been working out, I have been eating well, and I will say a big credit has to go to Ask Natural. We have been organically working together for a while actually now, and whenever I'm consistent, even for a small period, I can see like the biggest difference. Genuinely, I totally recommend them. Oh, by the way, if you don't know what Ask Natural is, I'm gonna link them down below in the description. Essentially, they help me out. They have been helping me out with my meal plan, and I have also been doing yoga classes with them. A couple of times I've also done kickboxing with them. I want to restart doing that because I really enjoyed it. Another thing that I'm really proud of from this year is that I got to work with some of my dream brands. Like we started working with Apple, Mercedes, Longcom, and actually many more. So yeah, that was my little review of 2025. Even if you don't have this planner, please take the time out and just write all of these things down on a paper. It just gives you so much clarity. The pen to paper thing is so real. So yeah, do that just to really understand what you've done in the year rather than reflecting on it end of the year mein, where there's a lot of chaos happening, ya fir beginning of next year. You want to go into the next year with a lot of clarity as to what you want to do more in 2026. I almost forgot to mention this. So, ये मैंने already कर लिया है. This is actually something that I do every year. It is to make a list in your notes app in your phone only. So the list is basically things, every little thing that you are proud of or you really enjoyed. So it's kind of like a core memories list that I make for 2025, 2026 every single year. In case you haven't done that for this year, what you can do is you can just go through your gallery and write everything down, because I feel like we tend to forget a lot of things, but our gallery tends to hold a lot of memories for us. So make a nice list of things that you are either grateful for or you feel like were core memories of 2025. It's a very nice uplifting activity and I literally have notes from every year. Okay, so I feel like the very last thing that we need to do in order to conclude this video would be to make lists. So decision fatigue is such a real thing, and वो state में I feel like I personally end up choosing the easier way out. Like for example, I've had a long day and रात को obviously मुझे कुछ healthy खाना है, but I don't want to make a decision at that point of time. So that is when I will pull out my list. So पहले मेरे पास 7 डिनर आइडियाज के लिस्ट थे एंड आई फील लाइक आई वुड जस्ट गेट बोर्ड ऑफ ईटिंग द सेम थिंग वीक आफ्टर वीक. सो आई हैव अपग्रेडेड माई लिस्ट टू 14 आइटम्स. सो every 2 weeks मेरा menu change होगा. So the reason why I'm standing in the kitchen right now is because I'm going to do a little bit of a meal prep, not like a crazy meal prep, but like a few different things. I really want to make this brownie recipe. It's a very healthy brownie recipe. I have been saving it for a while. Today I have the time, so I'm going to whip it together. I'm using almond flour and dark chocolate to make it healthy. Ready?
गरम है.
Not sweet because there's no sugar. It tastes like a banana bread.
Yeah. I mean, I don't mind it since we are on a diet. तो शुगर तो नहीं खाना है. तो उसके लिए इट्स फाइन, बट बहुत अच्छा बना है. बेकन ऑल तो प्रॉपर हो गया एकदम. प्रोफेशनल बेकर.
I mean, I'm sure इसमें sugar डाल के it can get better.
Obviously.
It's clearly not sweet. I feel like I should figure out how to add like monk fruit या कुछ इसके अंदर to make it थोड़ा सा sweet. But yeah, the bake is perfect.
Yeah. Consistency, texture सब मस्त हुआ है. Good one.
And just like that, I'm going to end today's video. I spent, I think, about 2 days getting everything together and I feel so much better. Of course, there are still a lot of things that I need to do before getting 2026 started. But I feel like this was a good start and I hope that this was a nice motivation for you to maybe get a few things that you have been avoiding. And yeah, with that, we have come towards the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We're so close to 1 million. I'm so excited. And yeah, stay tuned. The planner is coming really soon. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.